My name is Dave Kazine. I'm the owner of Kazine Grading and Demolition. Been doing this for 35 years. What I look for in my power tools is reliability and portability. I found the Makita Grease Gun to be extremely effective. It's lightweight, it's easy to handle, and it has a fast action on it. A big advantage that it has is in the morning when grease is very cold, it's hard to pump. So if you're using a manual grease gun, it's very difficult to pump grease in the morning. The Makita Grease Gun makes it effortless.